for a three-row SUV that growls like a muscle car and moves like one too? You're going to want to hear about this. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides with zero fluff and all facts. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Yes, the beast is back, and it's louder, faster, and meaner than ever. Design. On the outside, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat still means business. With an aggressive front fascia, blacked-out accents, and a wider stance that screams performance. Dodge didn't reinvent the look, but they refined it, giving it sharper lines and more aerodynamic presence. It's bold, it's muscular, and it doesn't pretend to be anything else. Performance. Under the hood, the same supercharged 6.2-litre HEMI V8, now tuned for even better throttle response. We're talking 710 horsepower, launching this family hauler from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard, and the updated suspension gives it sharper handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Features and tech. Inside, Dodge continues to balance brute force with tech-savvy refinement. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen runs the latest Uconnect system. It's fast, intuitive, and finally supports over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system are all standard on the Hellcat trim. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is proof that power and practicality can go hand in hand. If your definition of practicality includes 700-plus horses and a spine-tingling exhaust note. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense takes on the hottest new vehicles. See you in the next one.